Well, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back in my channel YouTube Ian Blue 78. I mean, not 70 but 78. Well, guys, today I'm in what do you call that? Geger sub-district. Today I'm in the house of head village of Geger. Today I would like to go to Geger Hills. I was there in about last year 2019. I was there, and now I want to be back there. I got the information there is many changes there, and like what the changes, let's see together. And today I will go there by jeep. This is the head village jeep, so I want to use this car to go to Geger Hills. Well, while you are watching my channel, while you are watching my video, don't forget, if you like this video or if you like this channel, don't forget to press like and share, and also there is subscribe there. And don't forget, beside of the subscribe there is a bell there. Well, if you think this channel informative, educative, and also interactive, don't forget to press subscribe and the bell too. Well, let's go to Geger Hill with the jeep. Woo! The changes is oh sorry, I just get here and I got the informations in this area around the Geger Hill. It has a villa behind me. Before last year there wasn't a villa, but now the owner made a villa. But the villa is under process. Maybe some of you, or maybe you want to come here looking for the relaxed place and the view of, you know, like hill there. Look at that. There is a small forest here, and there's the villa. You may come here with your family. All right, let's check what the facility in the villa. Let's go. I'm in the villa already. Here we go. The villa is made from bamboo. Yeah, take a look. Let's check. See, this is the villa. It's only one villa today. Maybe in the future they will make another one. Let's see inside, because it's not ready yet. This is the bed here, and there is bathroom. Wow, I think it's nice. And check the view here. It has a swimming pool. I think that's one is for children. This one is for adults. It's nice. Wow. And take a look there, the view. Alright, after we check the villa, check the facility, I want to continue to Geger Hill. Let's go. Let's go. Whoa! I want to get down. See? This is the swimming pool. The villa there. Alright. Alright, let's continue to